Hello, wonderful seniors. It's so great to see all of you here today, ready to embark on a new adventure. Do you ever feel a little scared of technology? Maybe you find it confusing or even a bit intimidating. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many seniors feel the same way. It's completely normal to feel a bit overwhelmed when faced with something new and unfamiliar. Technology can seem complicated and overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be scary. With a little bit of patience and the right guidance, you can learn to navigate it with ease. Think of technology as a new friend you haven't met yet. Just like any new friendship, it takes time to get to know each other. It might seem a little strange at first, but once you get to know it, you'll discover how much it can enrich your life. From staying in touch with family and friends to exploring new hobbies and interests, the possibilities are endless. Learning about technology can open up a world of possibilities, connecting you with loved ones, providing entertainment, and making everyday tasks easier. Imagine being able to video call your grandchildren, stream your favorite movies, or even learn a new skill online. It's never too late to learn something new, and the digital world is full of exciting opportunities waiting for you. Whether it's playing games, reading books, or even managing your health, technology can make your life more enjoyable and convenient. So, let's embark on this journey together and turn that fear into excitement. With each step you take, you'll gain more confidence and discover new ways to enhance your daily life. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Even the most tech-savvy individuals started from scratch just like you. With a little patience and the right guidance, you can overcome your tech fears and enjoy all the amazing things technology has to offer. So let's get started and make technology your new best friend. You're not alone. Tech fear is a common feeling, especially among seniors. It's the anxiety or apprehension some people feel when faced with using technology. You might feel overwhelmed, confused, or even a little scared. That's perfectly normal. Many seniors grew up without computers, smartphones, or the internet. The rapid evolution of technology can feel like a whirlwind, making it hard to keep up. But remember, it's okay to learn at your own pace. Don't be ashamed of your tech fears. It's important to acknowledge them and realize that many others share the same feelings. Thousands of seniors are learning to use technology every day, and so can you. Let's find out. There are many reasons why seniors might feel anxious about technology. It's a common feeling that many people experience, especially when faced with something new and unfamiliar. One common reason is a lack of familiarity. When you haven't grown up with technology, it can seem like a foreign language. The buttons, the screens, the endless options, it can all be quite overwhelming. If you didn't grow up using computers, it's natural to feel unsure at first. Think about the first time you learned to ride a bike or drive a car. It took time, patience, and practice. The same goes for technology. Sometimes past negative experiences can also contribute to tech fear. Maybe you tried to use a device before and it didn't go well. Perhaps it was too complicated, or you felt embarrassed when you couldn't figure it out. Maybe you had a frustrating encounter with a device or struggled to learn a new program. These experiences can leave a lasting impression and make you hesitant to try again. It's easy to let these experiences hold you back, but remember that everyone makes mistakes and practice makes perfect. Each time you try, you get a little better, a little more confident. Social comparison can also play a role. You might see younger generations using technology effortlessly and feel like you're falling behind. They had years of practice, just like you had years of practice with the tools you grew up with. But remember, everyone learns at their own pace, and it's never too late to catch up. You have the ability to learn and adapt, just like you have with so many other things in life. Finally, emotional factors like fear of failure or feeling overwhelmed can also contribute to tech anxiety. It's normal to feel this way, but it's important not to let these feelings stop you from trying. It's important to be kind to yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With patience and perseverance, you can overcome your fears and become comfortable with technology. Sometimes physical challenges can make using technology more difficult, especially for seniors. You might have trouble with fine motor skills, making it hard to use a mouse or type on a small keyboard. Vision or hearing impairments can also pose challenges. Small text on a screen can be hard to read, and low volume can make it difficult to hear audio cues. The good news is that there are many tools and resources available to help overcome these challenges. Adaptive keyboards, screen magnifiers, and text-to-speech software can make technology more accessible for everyone. Don't hesitate to ask for help or explore the many accessibility options available on your devices. Baby steps. Start small, learn big. The best way to overcome tech fear is to start small and gradually build your skills. Don't try to learn everything at once. Choose one device or app that interests you and focus on mastering that first. For example, you could start by learning how to send emails or make video calls to stay connected with loved ones. Once you feel comfortable with the basics, you can explore other features and apps at your own pace. Remember, learning new things takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Tools and resources. Your tech toolkit. There are many fantastic tools and resources available to help seniors learn about technology. Local libraries, community centers, and senior centers often offer free or low-cost computer classes and workshops. You can also find helpful tutorials and videos online, designed specifically for beginners. Websites like GCF Global and SeniorNet provide easy-to-understand lessons on a wide range of tech topics. Don't forget about the power of personal connections. Ask a family member, friend, or neighbor for help. Sometimes a little one-on-one guidance can make all the difference. Success stories. Real seniors. Real inspiration. Across the country, seniors are embracing technology and transforming their lives in remarkable ways. From smartphones to tablets, and even computers, they are proving that age is just a number when it comes to learning new skills. Take, for example, 80-year-old Martha from Maine. She decided to learn how to use a tablet, and now she enjoys video chatting with her grandchildren every week. This has not only brought her closer to her family, but also opened up a whole new world of possibilities for her. Or consider 75-year-old John from California. He took a computer class at his local library, and now he manages his finances online with ease. John no longer has to rely on others for help. He feels more independent and confident in his abilities. These inspiring stories prove that it's never too late to learn and benefit from technology. Seniors across the nation are attending workshops, joining tech classes, and even forming their own learning groups to stay updated with the latest advancements. These seniors are not exceptions. They are shining examples of the incredible things that can happen when we embrace new challenges and open ourselves to continuous learning. They show us that with determination and the right resources, anyone can master new skills, regardless of age. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance and the human spirit's ability to adapt and thrive. By embracing technology, they are not only enhancing their own lives, but also inspiring others to do the same. These seniors remind us that learning is a lifelong journey and it's never too late to start. You can do it. Embrace the digital world. The digital world is full of opportunities for seniors to stay connected, engaged, and entertained. You can connect with loved ones near and far, explore new hobbies, access valuable information, and even manage your finances and healthcare online. Imagine the joy of video chatting with your grandchildren, the convenience of online shopping, or the empowerment of accessing health information at your fingertips. These are just a few of the many benefits that technology can bring to your life. Don't let fear hold you back from experiencing all that the digital world has to offer. Take that first step, ask for help when you need it, and celebrate your progress along the way. Let's help our seniors thrive in the digital age. It's our collective responsibility to support seniors in their tech journey. We can encourage their curiosity, provide patient guidance, and create a welcoming and inclusive environment for them to learn and grow. Let's bridge the digital divide by offering more accessible tech resources, tailored support, and encouraging intergenerational learning opportunities. Together, we can empower seniors to thrive in the digital age and unlock a world of possibilities. Remember, every senior who embraces technology is a testament to the power of lifelong learning and the importance of staying connected in an increasingly digital world. Let's work together to make technology accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of age or background.